All right, with this video, I'm going to show you the funnel system that I use to complement and make money for a handful of businesses, okay? I just want you to remember this. Once I show you what it is, don't make your thoughts all crazy and think it's complicated, because once you set it up, okay, it's done. All you got to do is get really good at just inviting people to your link, okay? Every business I do online is the same. Set it up once and invite people to click something to watch something. Okay, deal? All right. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching my videos. And man, I am so excited to show you the funnel because it works. It makes things kind of cool and easy, kind of smooth. But guys, when you have 4 incomes, 5, 6 incomes, and they all make sense, and they're just working 24 hours a day for you, and it's all online so you can be safe at home. You don't have to deal with traffic or bosses or coworkers or getting off work at midnight, taking a bus or a subway. You know, I think about that. I really do. Because a lot of people think when I go to work, yeah, you carpool or maybe you do take mass transit. But I always thought, because I watch too many scary movies, and I watch 48 Hours, and I watch 40 After 48, Forensic Files, Cold Case Files. I watch every crime series on Hulu and Netflix and Peacock, and oh my gosh, there's about 1 billion of them. But I really do think of this. If you are a male or a female, you're a mom or a dad, you're a daughter, you're a son, and if you go to work at night and it's midnight and you're leaving and you're going to your car or you're just taking the subway, it freaks me out. I don't like that because I know a lot of people have to work in the afternoon till late into the evening. I've owned 4 nightclubs since 1990. Okay. And I was always getting home about anywhere from 3 to 4 to 5 in the morning, but I'm 6'2" and 220. And sure, I wear a lot of pink, but you know what? I can knock some ass out. But there's a lot of people that are susceptible, and it freaks me out thinking if you have a job that gets you home late and it's at a vulnerable hour, I don't want you doing that anymore. I don't. Not unless you want to. If you absolutely want to, then I get it. All right, but I'd rather have you just safe and sound, hanging out, okay, in your home, in your kitchen, in your living room, in your extra bedroom. Maybe you have an extra room that you can convert into an office, but I'll tell you what, I would love to know that you can make money at home like I am and paying your bills. October 1st to October 15th, those first 15 days, I have the rest of the month completely to go into savings or buy crazy stuff like a Hot Wheel or maybe a pink mama hat. Okay? I know you can do the businesses that I'm going to show you. If you can just watch short little videos or get a hold of customer service or go into a chat room, a web page, which is just a live community. It's just like anything you've seen on Facebook. Okay? You ask a question if you get stuck. You get a hold of customer service if you need help. And I make an insane amount of video trying to help people just make a decision. Do you want to do this type of business? Do you want to use the tools or the software that I do? And they seem to work. I don't promote stuff that doesn't work. I don't promote a darn thing that doesn't make me money. Okay? I hope you really believe that. Okay? Because I'm not promoting something that doesn't make me money using it as a tool. Okay? I don't promote something hoping that I make money just by promoting it. Because whatever I promote, do you get it? Let's just take, I don't even have a screwdriver. I wish I had a screwdriver around here, but if you buy a screwdriver, you know that you can itch your ear with it, pick your nose with it. You can break ice cubes apart with it. You can tighten a screw with it. You can jimmy open a door with it. That's what I like. I like to use systems and tools that can benefit you in many ways. Okay. Not just the businesses that I am lucky enough to have found and I utilize. And my gosh, I do make money by promoting. And I actually have 6 incomes now online. If you got a hold of me a year and a half ago and said, are you going to be any good, doing this online thing where you talk to a webcam or maybe go live and chit chat a little bit and invite people to click something to watch something? I don't know. I've never really thought about it. I do enjoy radio. I've owned nightclubs. I've been in the trucking business, the mortgage business. I even owned Vegas Wheels, a really cool car business in Las Vegas. But to sit here in a pink shirt with a pink mama hat with a bunch of insane trinkets on the walls, where it is nice and 70-something degrees, where in the wintertime I can dress like this, and in the summertime, and I can have a sandwich, I can have a bowl of chicken noodle soup, I can drink something, go to the bathroom when I want. And you know what is awesome, honestly? Wake up when you want and go to bed when you want. That is important, because I know people want to pay the bills. Some people want to buy cars and go to Fiji and just do crazy stuff. And there's nothing wrong with that. But when you're my age, it's nice to get up and take a pee and go back to sleep if you want. And if you naturally get up at 8, 10, noon, then by gosh, get up. Get up at noon. Take that shower. Go ahead and have a lunch. Skip breakfast since you're getting up at noon. And go to work at 2 in the afternoon. Because some people like to work in the afternoons. They're more awake. Some people have, obviously, lives that include children. And they get up. You got to, make sure they bathe and eat and get off at a reasonable time to go to school, right? Okay. And sometimes it's a hassle. I get it, man. Everybody's life is different. But I'm just saying, if you have the time to watch short videos, and if you have a couple bucks, and I'm not talking hundreds of thousands or thousands of dollars just ready to be spent, but you got to come up with a few $100 eventually for just about any business. You go to Vegas for one night, there's a couple $100. You go to the food store, and if you got a wife or kids or husband or a pet giraffe in the backyard, a couple $100 doesn't go that far on groceries. But I'll tell you what, if you can come up with a couple $100 and you look into the businesses that I suggest, there's a darn good chance that you're going to be whistling zippity-doo-dah with that cute little butt of yours. Okay? I'm just being straight up honest. I know you can do this. Will you make a penny or $1 million? I don't know. I always have to do a disclaimer of that, especially when you do videos of how to or make money or educational videos. Okay, but disclaimer, there's my quotes. But guys, I think you're going to be very happy if you just look into the opportunities, okay? Let me thank you again for just watching my videos. I just want to show you a link. The video after this, if you're on my YouTube channel, look at the video right after this one, because I'm going to show you what this opportunity really does on the screen. But for now, I like to keep my videos about 8 to 10 minutes. I just wanted to talk to you friend to friend, because if you join any of my businesses, I would love it if we are at least over the internet friendly. Okay? Because anyone that trusts me and joins one of my 6 opportunities, I love to get to know them. I am not too busy to at least have a little chit chat, inbox, email. Okay? I really do value your time and my time, but I don't want you wasting time, and I sure in the hell don't want you wasting money on stuff, okay? And it's taken me 10 minutes to kind of get to that point, all right? But if you watch my 3,800 videos that I've uploaded just in the last year and a half, all exactly like this. I don't take a 10-minute video, then dice it up with software 10 times to make 1-minute videos. I've made 3,800 videos. And I'm going to make another 3,800 videos. I'm going to do it every darn year. Okay? This is so relaxing and so nice, and it makes you feel valuable if you can do something online that makes money. And if you can just share that information with people and they want to participate and join and maybe do the short little video trainings, and they're successful and they start making $100. They make $500. All right. A day ago, I made around $3,100. Today, I made like another $500 or $600. Okay. It's very satisfying. And like I said, I'm going to go in the back office and show you some things and what a typical day looks like when you get an email that says you made $400 here. You made $200 there. I transferred $3,182 into your bank account, Cory. And you just go to bed at night going, this is just awesome. I'm finally living a lifestyle of excitement and safety and well-being of those videos that I've watched maybe the last 5, 10, 20, 30 years. Because there's a lot of videos out there where people are living that dream. And I hope so. I hope there's not a lot of videos of faking it to make it, but there are. And I get it. But I'll tell you what, when I tell you that these incomes are working for me as of, I got to look at the date, October 23rd of 24, 10/23/24. We're going into Halloween. It's going to be 2025 soon. Okay. So if you're watching this video 5 to 10 years in my future, okay, by then, maybe the 5, 6 opportunities that I have, they might be beyond. But right now, if you're watching this video within, 1 minute after I upload it, maybe an hour later, maybe even up to a year later, but everything I do is timeless. I do not do seasonal stuff. I'm not going to put a lot of time and energy into selling winter coats because I know in the summer, if I sell, some people are going to want a deal. Okay. I don't do stuff like that. I like to sell things that are educational. They help people in any business. And in my guts, I think are going to be around a long time, a damn long time. Okay. So the funnel system I'm going to show you, and I'll wrap this up real quick because my next video is where I go behind the scenes. I just want this one to show you a little bit of something. Okay. Now I'm in a company called LIVEGOOD, but inside of a funnel, I put LIVEGOOD as an opportunity. If you go to pleasewatchvideo.com, will you please just go watch the video? There's a really cool, fun, produced video for you to watch. And it just shows you what I do. There's 4 incomes inside that funnel at pleasewatchvideo.com. And one of the incomes is LIVEGOOD. Okay, you can see in the last handful of days, I've had 4 signups. You know, like I said, today is October 22nd, going into October 23rd. Okay, and you can see I just get a handful of people. And this had one sign up clear back about a week ago on the 15th. I had a sign up on the 21st. Let's see, Tuesday I had a couple. Then going into Wednesday, you know, who knows? Maybe I'll get a couple signups. But do you see here where I didn't have a lot of activity? I just didn't promote pleasewatchvideo.com because I had a car show to do. I had to work on one of my trucks. And I had just things to do. Okay? I'm realistic when I say just do the best you can to produce content when you can. And if you have a couple hours a day, 5 hours a day, maybe you only have 5 hours a week. Just do the best you can to make content. Make an email. Do social media. Leads, traffic that you can purchase. Okay, or maybe a YouTube video. But guys, I'll go over that on the video right after this. I just want you to go to pleasewatchvideo.com. Please just look at the screen. Click that link and watch the video. And sit back and go, this is pretty damn cool. Okay? I've been number 1 in this company out of 100,000 people about 6 out of 7 months. Currently, I'm number 1 as of October again. And I know I'm going to take number 1 because I've got it down to a science, guys. When I use this funnel system and put in a couple yummy things that are delicious, and people buy those products and they're affordable and they work, it will turn into dollar signs for me. Okay? It is nice to make $3,100 in one deposit. Okay? It is nice to make $500 to $600 today as I go Tuesday into Wednesday. Okay? And I want to do it again. I want to do another video 24 hours from now and just show you maybe some of signups in LIVEGOOD. I'm on my way to 400 signups. I want to do 500, 600. And I just want on my downline to get 3 or 4 or 5 people. And if I can get 2,500 people in my downline just in LIVEGOOD, that could be an extra $10,000 to $15,000 to $20,000 as a bonus just in that one company. Okay. So am I excited to get a couple thousand people in my downline of LiveGood? I really am, because the extra bonus is awesome. It makes you feel good. And most of that money, it's just going to go into my savings. Because I get older, I might need an eyeball. I might need a body part removed. I might need a toothy fixed. Okay. But I'll tell you what, it's nice to just have savings at my age. I've bought enough couches and TVs and cars, and I've been on enough vacations, to be honest. It's just nice to know that I have savings each and every month. And I want you to have the well-being and that excitement that I'm having right now. But you got to go to pleasewatchvideo.com. After you watch it, please just watch the video after this one, because I'm going to show you what Please Watch Video does. And I'm going to show you some of the incomes inside the funnel and just show you a handful of other things. Okay. So thank you for the last 16 minutes. Get a hold of me if you need something. I'm right here. I ain't going anywhere. Okay. My information will be below this video or below the video on YouTube, if that's where you're watching this, or on the mighty Facebook. Okay. All right. Thank you guys. Okay. I'll talk to you next video. Pleasewatchvideo.com. Go do it right now. Talk to you later. Bye.